Have you ever found yourself in deep supplication, pouring your heart out to Allah, yet feeling as though your prayers remain unanswered? This experience can lead to confusion and even doubt. Stay with us until the end of this video, where we'll explore the reasons behind seemingly unanswered prayers through the lens of Islamic teachings. Assalamu alaikum. Today, we delve into a profound question that touches many of our hearts. Why might our prayers go unanswered? By exploring Islamic teachings, we aim to uncover insights that can help us understand this deeply personal experience. Understanding prayer dua. In Islam, dua, or supplication, is a direct line of communication between the believer and Allah. The Quran states, "And your Lord says, 'Call upon me, I will respond to you.'" This verse assures us of Allah's promise to respond to our calls. Yet, many of us wonder why some of our prayers seem unanswered. The purpose of prayer. Prayer serves multiple purposes in a Muslim's life. It allows us to express our deepest thoughts and desires, seek guidance, and strengthen our connection with Allah. It's also an opportunity for self-reflection and spiritual growth. Through prayer, we are reminded of our dependence on Allah and the transient nature of worldly life. It is a means to purify our hearts, seek forgiveness, and realign ourselves with our true purpose. Moreover, prayer fosters a sense of community and belonging among Muslims, reinforcing the bonds of brotherhood and sisterhood. Expectations versus reality. Often, we approach prayer with specific expectations, hoping for immediate answers. However, Allah's wisdom surpasses our understanding. The Quran reminds us, "Fighting has been enjoined upon you while it is hateful to you. But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows, while you know not." This teaches us that what we perceive as unanswered prayers may, in fact, be a form of protection or a means to something better. Consider moments in your life when something you desired didn't materialize, only for you to later realize that it was for the best. This perspective helps us trust in Allah's plan and timing. Understanding that our perspective is limited encourages us to have faith in the greater plan that Allah has for each of us. Personal growth through unanswered prayers. Unanswered prayers can lead to significant personal growth. They teach us patience, resilience, and the importance of trusting Allah's plan. The Quran states, "O you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient." Embracing patience during these times strengthens our faith and character. Through these experiences, we learn to cultivate inner strength and develop a deeper reliance on Allah. Keeping a journal of your prayers and reflecting on them can provide insights into your personal growth and the development of your relationship with Allah. The role of faith. Maintaining faith, especially during challenging times, is crucial. Trusting in Allah's wisdom and timing is a testament to our belief. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "No one can be given a blessing better and greater than patience." Sahih Bukhari. This highlights the virtue of patience as a significant blessing in itself. Faith provides us with the strength to navigate life's uncertainties and the assurance that Allah's plan is always for our ultimate benefit. Surrounding ourselves with a supportive community can also reinforce our faith and provide encouragement during times of doubt. Aligning prayers with true values. It's essential to reflect on whether our prayers align with our true values and Islamic teachings. Are we asking for things that are beneficial for our faith and well-being? The Quran advises, "It may be that you dislike a thing which is good for you and that you like a thing which is bad for you. Allah knows but you do not know." This encourages us to trust in Allah's wisdom regarding what is best for us. Aligning our desires with the teachings of Islam ensures that our supplications are sincere and in harmony with our faith. Striking a balance between our worldly aspirations and spiritual goals is key to making prayers that are meaningful and effective. Seeking guidance and support. At times, seeking guidance from knowledgeable individuals or engaging in community support can provide clarity. Discussing our feelings and concerns with others can offer new perspectives and strengthen our resolve. Participating in study circles or seeking counsel from trusted scholars can help us navigate our spiritual journeys more effectively. Educating ourselves about Islamic teachings can also provide insights into the nature of prayer and the reasons behind seemingly unanswered supplications. Remember, Allah hears all prayers and responds in ways that are best for each individual, even if the answer is delayed or different from what we expect. Trust in His wisdom and remain steadfast. We encourage you to reflect on your own prayer practices. Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.